Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Tony, and in this video I'm going to tell you what I did to clean the seats of my Jeep with Super Clean. But before I roll into that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave a comment and we'll reply back to you. So what happened with my interior is I had the Jeep kind of parked outside in a temporary garage all summer. It was really humid out, and my seats, my vinyl seats in my Jeep started to get like fungus and stuff on them. It's getting kind of gross, and they get pretty bad. So I grabbed some Super Clean and I started to clean up one of the seats, and it actually cleaned up pretty good. So I'm going to tell you what I did in case this has happened to you, whether you have a boat or you have like a Jeep or a car with vinyl seats in them and you need to kind of clean them up. And I'll explain the process that I had to use to clean this out of there. So let's get rolling, and you can follow along. All right, so here are my seats, and you can tell, here's the driver's side. You can kind of see like all the crap that started to accumulate on these, and they were getting pretty bad with some mold and stuff on them. And it was only the fronts that did it. Like the back seat is fine, the rest of the truck is fine. For whatever reason, these seats just started to get a bunch of mold on them. I was like going out of my mind to clean them up, and I'm like, great, I can't have this happening. So what I'll do is, what I had to do is I had to get a bucket of water, I got a sponge, I got a rag, and I have some Super Clean. I've been using this stuff forever. I've been using it for over 20 years. Long before YouTube. My dad's an auto body guy, so we used to use it in the shop all the time. I say it all the time in the video. But these things were nasty, and I've got to tackle this seat. You can see the front, the back is getting really bad. So if you need to tackle this job, look on Super Clean's website and go. There's a part on there that shows like a little measuring cup, and it'll tell you how to dilute the product for what you need to use it for. I tried to cut the product a little bit, and it got most of it out on the passenger side. And for the problem that I have, I had to go full strength with it, but I went slow with it to see if it was damaging the seats at all. So be careful. You may want to try it in the spot first that you can't really see, to make sure that it's okay. And you know, something got ruined with the interior. I guess I could have ordered new seats, but let's go around to the passenger side that I did clean. You can see what a good job the product did do. All right, so this is the passenger side. It took me probably a good half an hour of scrubbing with that stiff bristle brush to get this out. And it looks 100% better. They weren't very, very clean when they got this Jeep. They actually look a little bit cleaner now than when I got the truck. So this seat was just like the other one. So what I had to do is I diluted the product to start off with, like I said, and it got a lot of it out. Then I kind of had to just spray it on full strength, use a little bit of water to wipe it off, use some dry rags. I did that process multiple times until I got the result that I was looking for. So you can see the back of this one's a lot better. It's not perfect, but you know, these seats do have some age on them, and I've got to go tackle the other side over there. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, definitely leave a comment, and I can try to provide some advice to you. The Super Clean definitely helped to save my Jeep. It worked pretty awesome. That was pretty nasty stuff. I've got to go to work on this other side. It's going to take me a little bit, but you can see on the passenger side how it did work and how it really kind of get that grime out of there. So don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Hope you do. And hang out on the channel. We like to have you guys hang out and share your knowledge as well with everybody. Take it easy.